Special Report. How I wrote 2,546 final expense plans in 10 years. Using a 3-step postcard system. Check out my free report on how I averaged 15 to 17 interviews per week working niche widow leads. Interviews per week working niche widow leads. By mailing out just 100 to 125 postcards per week to my niche widow leads. Learn how I averaged a 65% appointment rate with widows over the phone. Made 1.2 million in renewals over 20 years. Wrote 55 small applications in a month for a Hawaii vacation contest I won. It was based on applications only. Mailed out 327 unique pink postcards at the beginning of October. The first week gave 27 interviews and sold 21 small policies. Ended up breaking a company record with 55 applications. Did 31.5 million in annuities in 11 years using a pink postcard. I asked every widow I was giving a presentation at the end of the interview when I was selling final expense. Where are you investing your money in and what's your average interest? Check out my $1 million referral system. On how I averaged 3 to 4 referrals on every sale. How I build an agency with 10 full-time agents working my $500 a day postcard system. I did this whole system working my niche widow prospects and using my pink postcard template as my door opener and as a phone script. Check it out at www.finalexpensemillionaire.com.